Welcome back to day, I don't even know. We are going to do a wrapping paper challenge today where we are going to wrap a variety of different items. We're going to be doing a total of 5 rounds.
We're wrapping items? I thought we were having like a wrap-off, like a freestyle wrap-off.
Wrapping paper.
I would not have signed up for this if it was wrapping paper.
You'd rather do...
Drop a sick beat.
I'd rather stick to the paper kind, if you know what I mean. So here's the deal. We're going to do 5 rounds. Each round is going to be wrapping a different item. And we're going to finish it off with who can tie a better bow. Anyway, the way this is going to work, it's going to be a quality contest and kind of a race.
It's a race.
That's basically the gist. And after each round, we're going to ask you guys to vote who won what round. Capiche?
Capuche.
Let's get started. I just want to remind you guys, stay tuned to the end of this video to hear about today's giveaway.
Need a countdown. Hey. Disqualified.
Round 1. Let's start pretty easy. Basic wrapping. Wait a minute, we gotta start the clock.
On your marks.
Get set.
Go. Just kidding.
Go. I'm winning. And done.
Aha! Took me a little longer, but come on.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
It wasn't that much longer.
Who won round 1? Let's show our packages to the judges. Look at that nice little crease.
Mine's gluten-free.
Round 2. Okay, I've got some Vital Proteins, and Tyler's got some Lipton iced tea.
Delicious.
Ready, steady, go-y. I think it is cute that you try to fold the ends there.
I thought you showed me how to do that once or something.
So we should have done this competition like 5 years ago when we first met, when you first wrapped my very first gift.
Yeah, you're lucky I wrapped it. Actually, I might not have. I think I might have paid the lady at the mall to wrap it.
That was last year.
Well, you know.
It was our first year married. You can't just copy me as I'm doing.
I didn't do it.
Tyler, I'm serious. You were such a copycat in all these.
I'm giving it a haircut. No, I didn't copy you. But I beat you. What? Really? What are you? I think you're getting a little ahead of yourself here. What are you gonna do with that? You gonna curl those? You're gonna dust the house with that? Making a duster? What's happening? I didn't think that this was possible, but I think I beat you. I think not only did I finish faster, but I think mine's
boring.
a little nicer.
Boring.
What is that?
I think that's cute. That is adorable.
Someone's gonna think the dog ate your homework. Scout, did you eat that?
No, this is cute.
I guess we'll have to leave it up to the audience. Who won this one? Whose is cuter?
All right, should we move on to number 3?
Numero tres. Tres leches, as they say in the biz.
What biz?
The biz.
Oh, the biz. Okay.
The business of business.
Okay. So I decided to change the plan because these were just a little too easy to wrap.
Speak for yourself.
So we are going to challenge ourselves and have to wrap this bad boy. Excuse me.
It's cocoa.
You're just gonna eat it?
I don't know. It would be really interesting.
You should just sit there and think about that while I start over here.
Whoa. We need a countdown. Hey. Disqualified. Paper up.
Okay, 3, 2,
Paper up.
1.
Begin. Why did I sign up for this?
Don't go peeking over here again, mister. I have a feeling you're gonna lose this one.
Speed isn't everything.
But you can't win without it. You know, it could be funny to go through and talk about your mistakes.
What mistakes? I have a plan, okay? I know exactly what I'm doing.
I just mean to be like, okay, do you want to know why Tyler's failed? And then people can, you know, this could be like a learning, like a teaching lesson. Ta-da! That's pretty clever of me if I Don't say so myself.
Oh yeah? Well, watch this. Now, I made a little bag. No one would ever know what's in this one, would they? There's a lot more that goes into these boats than just who did it faster and who made it look exactly like the item that it is. Give it a rest.
Honey, that's so funny.
That's like almost as good as what Amazon does when they ship it to you overnight.
Right, and that all I wanted for Christmas was an Amazon wrapped package.
But you have no clue what this is.
Okay, you guys, round 3. Who won that one? Me? Ding, ding, ding.
I don't think so. Don't give yourself the win.
Or Tyler.
Mystery, or I know exactly what that is.
Oh wow, you have a lot of glitter on you.
I know.
All right, let's move on to number 4. Tyler's gonna wrap a large box. I'm gonna wrap a large box. Let's see who wins.
Can they even see me behind this? I don't know, like, do you guys get more excited when you see a big box under the tree for you?
Yes.
Or a small box, a medium box?
A big box, because I have absolutely no clue what's in it.
What if it's a box in a box in a box in a box?
Your parents did that to you?
Box in a box. You don't do box in a box?
Ready,
On
set,
your marks,
go.
get set. Box in a box!
Ooh, I gave you the light one. You're lucky. Really, the way to tell if these look good is like, would you be embarrassed to bring this over to my mother's house? Or would you be happy and proud?
All my gifts used to be wrapped in newspaper. So I don't even know what this whole wrapping paper thing is.
Oh, like when you were growing up?
Yeah.
Why newspaper?
Well, it's the comic section, so there's, something to read.
Oh, that's cute. I hate to break it to you, but I'm done. So there's mine. Pretty cute. And then there's Tyler's.
Yeah. Wait. Just, why don't you scoot this over? Yours is a little bit boring, okay? What I bring to the table is variety, spice of life. Look at this. You got your green, you got your red, you got your glitter, you got your this.
Wait. You should really show them.
Movie magic, okay? Movie magic is you get to show them only what you choose to show them.
I choose on my channel. You show them this side.
This side here?
Yeah.
Well, brown happens to be one of my favorite colors, so I left the brown box there.
How about the bottom? Is there anything on the bottom?
It's the bottom. It's the bottom. You don't have to decorate the bottom. It's the bottom. Do you decorate your bottom? I don't decorate my bottom. So.
I'm sweating. Who won the big box? Me or Tyler? Comment below.
You gotta take into account creative ingenuity.
Ready?
Nope.
Set?
Nope.
Go!
No.
Let's move on to number 5. Well, we are going to make a bow. I know that this is going to be hard for you, so I'm going to actually show you and have you follow along with me, and we'll see how good you do.
Okay. And what's important? Why a bow? What's so cool about a bow?
What's so cool about a bow?
Yeah.
It looks beautiful. So, you first start here.
I'm already lost.
You pinch one end, you give it a little bit of a tail. Then you got your excess on your left side here, and you give it a nice little twist. So, I've got 2 loops here.
Where'd you get the second loop?
You got a twist, and you make another loop.
Whoa.
Now you make another twist, and you make another loop. You make another one, and now you're gonna loop up top and bottom. And then you make another twist. And you just keep twisting and looping and twisting up and down and looping up and down.
Are we doing aerobics or making a bow?
You wanna have even number of loops on top and on bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd say that's a pretty good bow. What do you guys think? Then you're gonna take your little piece here, metal wire. You're gonna wrap it around and give it a few twists. And then, ta-da! Now, when you cut the ends, you want them to be relatively the same length, and you can either cut diagonally, or you can do a little wing where you fold it, like so.
Mm-hmm.
And then you cut diagonally to cut a piece out. And look at that. And do the other side.
Where'd I go wrong?
Oh, babe, it's not that bad. I mean, it's bad, but it could have been worse.
Wait a second. Ta-da! How'd I do? You thought I was making a bow tie. Do you remember why you married me?
No. Okay, so who won the bow challenge? This is definitely like what my mom used to put me in when I was a child. I would say that I won the bow challenge, but that's just me. Go ahead and vote, y'all.
Who won the bow?
Break it to him easy though, you know? He's cute and he tried.
What was worse, my bow or my jokes?
I'm gonna let the people answer that.
Oh boy.
You're just a good sport. You get to win a couple of those rounds just for being a good sport, don't you think? The 10th day of Christmas giveaway is an amazing appliance of sorts from Amazon that you definitely are gonna want. And it's one of my favorites and I've talked about it on this channel and that's all I'm gonna say. So click the link below, go to the blog, enter to win the Amazon giveaway, and good luck. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad that you voted for me.
I don't know why you always assume you win everything. Okay, we have to wait for the people to speak. We'll see in the comments, we'll see who won.
You put it out there, it comes back to you, you know?
Put this out there.
So if you guys would like to learn more about gift wrapping in general, I do have a few videos that I will link down below.
Oh yeah, link
in
those
the
videos.
Description box. If you guys have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button.
Boom.
Give the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to vote.
Vote for me. I think I won.
This guy's delirious. Okay, we'll see you guys next time.
Boom, boom, boom,
And by next time, we mean tomorrow for a beatbox challenge.
We tried to wrap some presents and I didn't do too well, but I got a bow on my neck, so I think I did so swell. Got that bow on your head, just don't call me dead, cause you never know what's gonna happen with the red in the color of the Christmas. Red and green, that's the way you be.
Jackie Lee.
Yeah! Bye!